In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make 30% lifetime commission with Pushalert, and I'll also be giving you 2 free strategies at the end of this video on how you can promote this affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my website where you can come and find the best affiliate programs completely for free. You can also create an affiliate marketing profile so brands can find you. And if you haven't heard of Pushalert, they are a platform that lets websites send push notifications to users on desktop and mobile. Over 40,000 different businesses trust Pushalert to send push notifications. It works with all the major different browsers and operating systems out there. And it has many advanced features such as dynamic segmentation, so you could target users based on keywords, what URL they clicked, how many times they visited your website, their location, and much more. And the push notifications also can have call to action buttons. You can choose what icons you want them, and you can really focus on the design. And you can also do A and B testing so you can see which push notification is converting better. They also have a WordPress plugin integration, and it's very easy to integrate into your site. You can just drop a line of code, and then you can handle everything from the Pushalert dashboard, and they have APIs on top of that. And Pushalert also has some other products such as their smart pop-up builder, which will help you drive engagement and increase your sales. And Pushalert has an independent affiliate program, so you can sign up directly with them and get started promoting today. It pays 30% lifetime commission. The cookie length is 60 days. And once you reach $100 in commissions, you can be paid out via PayPal. Signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. You just click the link down below, fill out this short application, and click sign up. And then you'll be in the dashboard, and you can go ahead and copy your link right here, and you can start sharing it on social media. One way you could promote this is YouTube videos, such as doing a review on Pushalert. You can also create videos on how to send push notifications from WordPress, how to send push notifications from your website. And another way to promote the program would be to create blog posts reviewing Pushalert and also doing tutorials on how you can add push notifications to your website or your WordPress site. If you want to find more affiliate programs, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's